Okay, I don't know what was wrong before, but now I got sound. Now I got sound. She was bugging before. Let's see. Okay. Let's check out the drip real quick. Shit, niggas ain't never seen man. Shit. Alright, I just added some mechanic shops. I'm too excited, so I'm back. Nothing special though. And I finally got my sound to work with the cars. I don't know what that was about. First live, so bear with me. Pull the eye easy out. Ooh, that red one look crazy. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna maximum volume. Alright, so I'm gonna just go. I just installed 2 mechanic shops. I really one, and then I expanded one. So I'm gonna go check that out real quick, see how that's looking. And I just added this car. It's just so tedious. Like, there's so much stuff you gotta do. Let's see, what's the fastest way? And it's like when you add certain stuff, they can like take away or add things from existing props. So it's like then you gotta go to Cold Walker, you gotta delete it, go through collisions. So it's like this is a never-ending journey. Okay, they put a gate here. I've been in a server like this where they had a gate right there. I want to see if they changed the inside. It's the one with the shiny floor? No. Oh, yeah. Okay, so this is the same. They just... What do they do? I see they put some rails. Nothing crazy. Okay. Oh. I got one more. Where's that one at? That one is... over here somewhere. Oh, okay, I know. I got this one from being in another city. I remember they had this. It was like in the cut too, but they had whole projects right here on the right. It was like a whole little hood over here. Oh, like all of this on the right was a hood.
Stop! No way.
Okay. Damn, this Hellstar shirt. Oh, it's see how this is collisions. I can't go in because now I gotta go to Cold Walker and remove the collisions. This be the headache. Where I'm like, you can't just add stuff. You gotta go remove collisions sometime, and like that's. Oh my god, I had to watch like 5 YouTube videos. I'm talking like 20 minutes long each one, just to try to figure it out, how to do it, how to save it. So basically, those are the 2 mechanic shops I just added. I really became a dev in like 3 weeks, no cap, just watching YouTube videos. But I see that like when you get nice, things become fast. But right now, everything is slow. Like it's taking me forever to try to build this city. Like just even me having to like this little detail. Like this little detail right here is crazy, and it takes forever. Like because not every like how you pull a hose out. It took me like a whole day to figure out how to get the hose because it was just pulling the pump. Like this is crazy. So I'm really looking for like another dev. Before I even had people try to join in the server, I need a dev to come like fix some stuff. For example, I got this right here. Right, this is Chevron or Ron, but then I got these floating because I added this parking lot on the left. So I'm like, should I take this parking lot out or just leave it floating? But I know once I have a dev come, it's gonna be easy. Oh yeah, I added this police station. Nothing new. I seen the hotter one, but I didn't add it yet. So I still got like a lot of stuff to add. I see the little weed shop right here. I didn't want to add two weed shops by each other, so I didn't do it. So I'm really looking for other people who got like ideas, like how we can make the city lit for some real role play. I'm not talking no 100K die, none of that. I got these Mlos right here to the left. I got a Foot Locker. Oh, I forgot. How could I forget about this? I feel like this is kind of old though. I feel like everybody got this.
Open your eyes. Lord.
Don't got it.
What's up? Guess you didn't.
Shut up.
Sweet Jesus.
Word, got the
Let's go down to the range later and fire off a few rounds.
salon.
What up, homie?
But you know everybody gonna be back here at the Dior store. I'm gonna put some stuff in Dior, some stuff in H&M. Not everybody gonna shop in Dior. Word. I figured out how to make MLOs too, so I'll probably try to make like a Louis, Gucci. I actually got a Gucci store, so like Louis, got the ice box over here.
Heads up, asshole.
Still hit the fucking.
Fuck. Look out! Don't see who's.
I got some stuff down here. It's a. You guys will see it when you get there. See, I got so much stuff that I added already that I'll just be forgetting. Like I gotta be in that area and be like, oh, okay. Let's see. I never noticed that was a hotel. Make an MLO out of that, that'd be fire. Or I could add some stuff right here to the left. I know it'd be like clubs over there. Let's see, where's that? Where are are you?
Ooh-wee. That car's fine as hell. Fucking asshole.
So I can't find it, but it's a oh, where is it at? I just spent the block and I don't see it. But anyway, it's a rental service. It's a car rental. Oh, is that it right there? It's a car rental place. Oh yeah, it's right here. So this is a car rental where you could like rent your car. I don't know why it's so far, but that's something else. I'm thinking about adding the projects back, but I will have to really go in to fix the collisions, which I'm not trying to do today. Really not trying to do that, but I definitely want the projects up. I want people to be able to, you know, have a hood, hang out. I still got to show y'all all the MLOs, but like, oh, I got one right here. You can't actually go inside this, but hey, it's somewhere for people to hang out. You feel me? I got own gas stations, so if you want, you can come in here, third eye snack or whatever you're trying to get, right? But if you really got that cheese, you could come back here.
Right on.
See, I gotta fix this guy. This was the very first one. I got the other ones. They not floating. Come back here though. Yeah, this one not working because he floating.